Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So in this video, our group will present about the warehouse that we make regarding to our group project. So my name is Muhammad Fitri Najmi Razali and I will explain about the introduction of the warehouse. So in the introduction, I will explain about the warehouse and warehousing. Point is, warehouse is a large building where raw materials or manufactured goods may be stored prior to their distribution for sale. Next, the meaning of the warehousing is the process of storing physical inventory for sale or distribution. Warehouse are used by all different types of businesses that need to temporarily store product in bulk before either shipping them to the other location or individually to end consumer. So that's all from me for the introduction. I will pass to the next presenter.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Hamizan bin Muhammad Saleh. So first of all, I will talk about our warehouse background. So our warehouse name is G1st Warehouse. It is located in number 44 Jalan Desa Melo, Taman Bandar Konaf 56000 Ceras, Kuala Lumpur. So our warehouse, G1st Warehouse, also have 500 stores in the global retail market. Next, I will pass to the next presenter.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Muhammad Aminul Jabir Anan and I'm going to talk about types of product. First one we have is raw materials. Manufacturing facilities use warehouses to store raw materials that will eventually be used in production. By housing a supply of raw materials, the manufacturer can easily accommodate fluctuations in production based on incoming orders. For example, if a manufacturer suddenly receives a large order for a product, a delivery date is forecast based on how long processing the order will take. Then we have MRO inventory. Machinery in large manufacturing facilities must be serviced and repaired on a regular basis. If a machine malfunctions due to a worn-out part, production is stopped until the part can be replaced, and inventory of spare parts may be kept in a warehouse so that a minimal amounts of production time is lost. Then we have merchandise. Retailers run the risk of lost sales and dissatisfied customers when a product is unavailable. A warehouse holding backup inventory allows a retailer to continually replenish merchandise on the shelves of the store. Last but not least, we have finished product. So some manufacturers create products based on customer orders. Others run production continually so that a product is always available. Once the goods have been produced and inspected, they are transported off-site to make room for the next batch of products coming off the production line. That's all for me, so I'll pass to the next presenter.
Assalamualaikum. So my name is Muhammad Nur Iqmal bin Baharudin. So today I will present about the system that we choose for our warehouse. So the system name is standalone. So first of all, standalone system are both for the warehouse management features and nothing else. This type of warehousing system can be combined with existing or future solution, but it's sold as a specialized product without further supply chain function. Some vendors offer a handful of basic transportation management tools. However, the focus is on best of breed warehouse management system. A standalone warehouse management system is the most basic. While the price is low, the system lacks many of the benefits from an integrated warehouse management system solution. They are commonly used for warehouse management features like expiration date tracking, cycle counting, barcode scanning, put away, receiving, picking, packaging, slotting, shipping, and the others. These are sold with only most important features of warehouse management system modules and with no extra supply chain function. However, the basic transportation management tools are also offered often by some of the vendors with their standalone system. Most of the warehouse management system are offered as standalone package that are already installed and integrated with your existing software. So basically, standalone is very suitable for small business or small enterprise uh, to help them to build up their warehouse. So that's all from me. I will pass to the next presenter.
Okay, so now I will talk about our warehouse layout. So this is our warehouse layout where we have the receiving dock to receive the product to use our warehouse service. Then we also have the area for our storage, and AGV has been used to the storage management to help the work become more easier. Other than that, we have an office area where the management of warehouse being practiced in there. So that's all from me. I will pass to the next presenter.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Azam bin Osman. Next, I will explain about the types of material handling in warehouse. What is material handling? Material handling entails moving items over short distance within a building or between a building and a transportation vehicles. It employs a variety of manual, semi-automated and automated equipment and takes into account the protection, storage, and controls of material during their manufacturing, warehousing, distribution, consumptions, and disposal. Material handling, as opposed to manufacturing, can be used to create times and place utility by processing, storing, and controlling waste. Manufacturing, on the other hand, create form utility by changing the shape, form, and makeup of material. Firstly, the types of material handling in warehouse is a forklift. A forklift is a type of vehicle categorized as a powered industrial truck. They are used to lift and move various material over short distance. A typical forklift is defined by a small truck frame with a front-facing mass assembly that is responsible for raising and powering the carried load. These mass assemblies secure the variable height carriage to which the forklift load-bearing forks are mounted. Haulage trucks are earth-moving equipment that have been modified to accept fork and not considered to be true forklift. Forklifts are designed to be a multitude of specifications in order to handle loads with different maximum weight and different center of gravity. Attention to this specification is necessary for safe usage. Second types of material handling in warehouse is a conveyor belt. A conveyor belt is the carrier medium of a belt conveyor system, often shortened to belt conveyor. A belt conveyor system is one of several types of conveyor system. A belt conveyor system is made up of two or more pulley, also known as drums, that are connected by closed loops of carrying mediums, the conveyor belts that rotates around them. One or both of the pulley is turned on, causing the belt and the material on the belt to move forwards. The powered pulley is referred to as the drive pulley, while the unpowered pulley is referred to as the idler pulley. Belt conveyor are divided into two categories. The first one is ordinary material handling, such as moving box around a plant, and bulk material handling, such as transportation enormous amounts of resources, and agricultural materials such as grain, salts, coal, core, sand, and overburden. That's all from me. I will pass to the next presenter.
Right, so my name is Muhammad Fitri Najmi Brazali, and I will continue to explain about the technology that being used in our warehouse. Okay, so the first technology is we will use AGV. So AGV is stand for Automated Guide Vehicle. Next, it will come to order picker and complete the picking process. Then the benefits to our warehouse when we use the AGV is can reduce labor costs. The most obvious cost saving that comes from implementing automated guided vehicle is a reduction in labor costs because we are either replacing an existing employee or foregoing a new hire. Next, it also can eliminate salary and increase the benefits for the warehouse. Finding employees and training and retaining them is a big challenge for us. Likewise, employees expect their compensation to grow with their experience level and time with a company. Whether this is through yearly salary increase, bonus, additional vacational time, better insurance, or a 401k match, with each year that pass your labor costs are likely to trend up. This means that every year the labor costs increase. So, by replacing personnel with AGVs, we will remove this growth in labor expense. In fact, instead of getting more expensive, AGV use becomes more profitable with each year that passes. Once a machine has operated long enough to recoup the initial investment, any additional proceed that is used brings in his pure profit, excluding the cost of maintenance, repair, and energy consumption. So the next technology that we use is RFID, and RFID is stand for radio frequency identification. So with RFID, it can help to track and identify inventory in real time. With this kind of control, warehouse management can always know where inventory is located within the supply chain. The next point is RFID tracking system is an invariable tool. Typically, RFID tracking works through several stages. A shipment arrives at the warehouse, receiving dock and is unloaded from the truck. The next part is an RFID tag is attached to the item or entire pallet in that shipment. Next, each tag has internal memory on which an item's information is stored and modified as it moves through different processes in the warehouse. And the next point is the RFID tag transmit the shipment or items information to a central database via an electromagnetic signal. The warehouse management system analyze and update the data as the item progress through the warehouse system. Okay, so that's all for the technology that being used in our warehouse. Thank you. And that's all from us about the warehouse that we made to our group project. Thank you.